Good afternoon. I have a serious problem.
Good afternoon. Please tell me what happened.
I lost a signed check yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Do you remember the check number? Yes, it was check number 458721. Thank you.
This is an important issue.
What should I do now?
First, we need to stop the payment of that check immediately.
Can you do that right now?
Yes, I can block it in our system within a few minutes.
Will there be any charge for stopping the check?
Yes, there is a small stop payment fee.
That's fine. Safety is more important.
You also need to submit a written complaint.
Do I need to file a police report?
It is recommended, especially if the check was signed.
I will do that today.
Good decision.
Can the check be used by someone else?
Not after we block it.
That's a relief.
Would you like to issue a new checkbook?
Yes, please cancel the old one completely.
All right. I will process that request as well.
Thank you for acting so quickly.
It's our responsibility to protect your account.
I really appreciate your help.
You are welcome. Everything is under control now.
Hello, I want to know about student loans.
Hello. Sure. Are you planning to study abroad or locally?
I want to study at a private university in Bangladesh.
We do offer education loans for that purpose.
What expenses are covered by the loan?
Tuition fees, books, and other educational costs.
How much loan can I get?
You can get up to 5 lakh taka depending on your need.
Do I need a guarantor?
Yes, a guardian must be the guarantor.
What documents are required?
Admission letter, fee structure, student ID, and guardian income proof.
What is the interest rate?
It is around 8% per year.
When do I have to start repayment?
Repayment usually starts after completing your study.
That's very helpful for students.
Yes, this loan is specially designed for education.
How long is the repayment period?
You can repay it within 5 years.
Is there any processing fee?
There is a small processing charge.
Can I apply online?
Yes, but final verification must be done at the branch.
I really need this support.
We are happy to help students achieve their dreams.
Thank you for the detailed information.
You're welcome. Best wishes for your studies.
Good afternoon. I need some information about foreign currency exchange.
Good afternoon. Sure. How can I help you?
I am traveling abroad next month and I need dollars.
No problem. Our bank provides foreign currency exchange services.
What documents do I need to exchange currency?
You need your passport, visa, and air ticket.
How much foreign currency can I take with me?
The amount depends on the travel rules of the central bank.
Can I exchange taka into dollars here?
Yes, you can exchange it directly from our branch.
What is the current exchange rate?
Today's rate is displayed on our currency board.
Is there any service charge?
Yes, a small service charge is applicable.
Can I use my debit card abroad?
Yes, but you need to activate international transactions first.
How can I activate that?
You can submit a request form or activate it through internet banking.
That's very helpful.
We also provide travel cards for safer transactions.
What is a travel card?
It is a prepaid card loaded with foreign currency.
That sounds convenient.
It is safer than carrying cash.
I think I will take a travel card. Good choice. Please submit these documents. Thank you for your guidance. You are most welcome. Have a safe journey.
Good morning.
I need some help regarding my debit card.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I want to increase the daily transaction limit of my debit card.
Sure. May I know why you want to increase the limit?
I need to make some large payments for personal reasons.
I understand. Currently, what is your daily limit?
It is 50,000 taka per day.
And how much limit do you need?
I would like to increase it to 2 lakh taka.
That is possible. You need to submit a request form.
Do I need to provide any documents?
Yes, please bring your national ID card and debit card.
How long will it take to update the limit?
Usually, it takes 1 working day.
Can I change the limit again later?
Yes, you can modify it anytime.
Is there any charge for this service?
No, increasing the limit is completely free.
That's good to hear.
For security reasons, we always verify such requests carefully.
I completely understand.
Do you also want to increase online transaction limits?
Yes, that would be helpful.
We can update both limits together.
That will be perfect.
Please fill out this form and sign here.
Thank you for your assistance.
You are most welcome. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon. I would like to request a new checkbook.
Good afternoon. Certainly. May I know your account number?
Yes, it is 123456789.
Thank you. How many pages would you like in the checkbook?
I would prefer a 50-page checkbook.
No problem. Do you need it urgently?
Yes, I need it as soon as possible.
Usually, it takes 5 to 7 working days to issue a new checkbook.
Is there any way to get it faster?
We have an urgent service. In that case, you can get it within 2 days.
Is there an extra charge for urgent service?
Yes, there is a small additional fee.
That's fine. I will choose the urgent option.
All right, please fill out this checkbook request form.
Do I need to submit any documents?
No, only your signature is required on the form.
Can someone else collect it on my behalf?
Yes, but you need to give an authorization letter.
Will I get an SMS when it is ready?
Yes, you will receive a notification on your registered mobile number.
That's convenient.
You can also request a checkbook through internet banking.
I didn't know that.
Yes, many services are now available online.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. We are always here to help.
I appreciate your support.
It's our pleasure to serve you.
Hello, I have joined a new company, and they asked me to open a salary account.
Hello. Congratulations on your new job.
Thank you. I need to open the account as soon as possible.
No problem. A salary account is very easy to open.
What benefits will I get with a salary account?
You will get zero balance facility, free debit card, and free online banking.
That sounds very useful.
Yes, salary accounts are specially designed for employees.
What documents are required?
You need your national ID card, appointment letter, and 2 photos.
Do I need any introduction from my company?
Yes, a salary certificate or company authorization letter is needed.
How long will it take to open the account?
It can be opened within 1 working day.
Will I get a checkbook?
Yes, a checkbook and debit card will be provided.
Is there any monthly charge?
No, salary accounts are completely free from maintenance charges.
Can I convert it into a savings account later?
Yes, you can convert it anytime if needed.
Can I receive my salary directly into this account?
Absolutely. Your company can transfer salary directly every month.
That will be very convenient.
You can also apply for personal loans easily with this account.
Really? That's great.
Yes, salary account holders get many extra benefits.
I would like to open it today.
Please fill out this form and submit your documents.
Thank you for the information.
You're most welcome. Best wishes for your career.